In this video, we are going to look on how to remove watermark on Viggle AI. First, open up your web browser and search Media.io. Click on this link where it says Watermark Remover. Then click on Remove Watermark Now. Once you get this page, click on Upload Here and it will tell you to log in or create your account if you have not already. So first create your account and then click on Upload. Select your video from here. Adjust the brush size and select the watermark you want to remove. For example, like this. Once you select everything, click on Remove Objects now. Once the processing is done, you can preview your video from here and click on Download to download the video file. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.